What is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is when our ocean absorbs carbon dioxide that is released into our atmosphere, making it become more acidic. The ocean absorbs about 31% of carbon emissions. Burning fossil fuel, caused by us humans, releases large amounts of carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide and water from the ocean mix, they form an acid that causes our oceans to become more acidic.
pH scale, acids, bases, and neutrals. The acidity is measured by using a pH scale. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. It measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in the water-based substances. The scale ranges from 0 to 14. 7 is neutral. Below 7 is acidic, and anything above 7 is basic or also called alkaline.
The average pH of our ocean today is 8.1, making it slightly alkaline. Some items that are acidic are sour milk, oranges, lemon, coffee, the acid in your stomach, and the highly acidic car battery, which has a pH close to 0.
Ocean acidification is a hidden threat to marine life because not many people know much about it. One of the effects on marine life is that as the oceans become more acidic, it starts to weaken the shells and skeletons of sea creatures such as crabs, shrimps, and clams. These creatures will eventually die.
Another effect is coral bleaching. The acid reduces the amount of calcium that the coral needs to build and repair itself. When coral dies, some marine life lose their habitat and will not have a safe place to live in order to survive.
The rise in the acidity of the ocean will eventually affect the entire food chain. The marine life at the bottom of the food chain will die out, and the larger sea creatures will not have their source of food. Humans who rely on the ocean for food will also be greatly affected.
Here's the big picture. 1 in 7 people rely on seafood for protein. 1 in 4 ocean species live in coral reefs. We need to reduce carbon dioxide emissions to help our ocean, and we need to do it now.
What are some ways we can reduce our carbon footprint, you may ask? Let's plant more trees to absorb carbon dioxide, use alternative energy sources from the sun, wind, and waves, and use reusable water bottles.
Did you know that single-use water bottles that you and I drink from are made from crude oil? The same crude oil that is used to fuel a car. The process of making these water bottles releases carbon dioxide into the air, which is then absorbed by our oceans. 1.5 billion water bottles are produced every single day.
By the year 2100, if we don't do anything to reduce our carbon footprint, our oceans will become more and more acidic, causing our marine life to die. This can happen during our lifetime. I'll only be 88 years young.